Okay, I'm going to show you some quick tips and tricks here in the cash receipt screen. Let's open that screen up. First thing is that the add button is highlighted as soon as you get into the screen, so you can start adding by just clicking it or just hitting enter. First thing I'm going to show you here, let's put a check number in, the amount of the check. First I'm going to show you is the auto match button. Right here, if you click this, it's going to search through all open invoices, and it's going to find either a single invoice or more than that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever adds up to this check amount. So it runs through the open balances and tries to find a match. You can see how fast it found a single match here and automatically moved it to the bottom because the balance on that matched the amount of the check. Start over, pick the same customer here. Second thing, the button right next to that is manual. This allows you to, instead of scrolling through this long list of open invoices, type in an invoice number. If you have more than one invoice number that you want to apply to, just type a comma in between them and you can keep typing those numbers. You'll notice in this example here I can type 12, 77, 273, 275. And it'll move all of those to the bottom, and of course at the bottom you can do your changes if you need to. The last trick, which isn't as evident, is you can type a semicolon right here in the customer name field. Right there you can see I typed a semicolon. Semicolon and the invoice number that you want. So I don't even have to type in the customer. If I know the invoice number that I'm applying cash to, type that semicolon, the invoice number, and click enter. It will load that in for you, and you just type in your check number, the dollar amount, transaction and post date, and then just click the plus button down here to add it to the bottom and save it. So there's just a couple tricks here in the cash receipt screen to make your life a little bit easier.